So the second session for the veil is naalala ko rin is what was that veil again? 'Di ba? Na pag-aralan natin yun yung mga parang pumipigil sa iyo. Now, one of the veil pala is fear. So, because you fear of something, di ko to na-discuss last time. Because you fear of something, you ain't doing it. And also, because you fear something, parang hindi pa nangyayari yung isang bagay, yung isang bad things to happen. Actually, it should never even happen. You already predicted it. Pinipredict mo na siya. So, ikaw na yung gumagawa ng sarili mong manifestation. Manifestation na mangyari isang bagay. It reeks out of your, of your personality kung ano yung mga mangyayari. Because you fear something, yun yung what you believe. Fear is a form of belief. Hindi naman totoong mangyari isang bagay. Hindi pa, di ba? Pero pinaniwalaan mo na agad. So, nagiging totoo siya. Well, ano natin yun? Yun yung way ng pagprotection natin sa sarili natin kasi ayaw natin mapahamak. But most of the times, it also limits your possibilities, limits your opportunities, limits your, yourself, to pursue something. Sa buhay na yon, ikaw na bahala. Business, communication, relationship. So yun, because you fear something, it's one form of the veil. Because you fear something, you into it. Kahit yung iba kaya mo naman, yung iba hindi mo kaya, so what? At least na nalaman mo muna by trying. So, yun. Veil, one of the form of veil is fear.